Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to change your shop name on Etsy. So to change your shop name on Etsy, you need to go to etsy.com, go to your shop manager, then select settings. Choose info and appearance, then choose change next to shop name. Enter your new shop name, then click on save. Now, shop names can be up to 20 characters long, and they cannot be having any spaces or punctuation. You may want to capitalize letters in your shop name to distinguish separate words. This is very important to do. And the name you choose becomes part of your shop URL, which is going to be, for example, Etsy slash your shop name, something like this, as you can see, or basically your shopname.etsy.com. Now, what happens if you are willing to change your name or basically change your shop name again? You can change your name as often as you like before you open your shop. Once your shop is open, you can change your shop name in info and appearance and the shop name tab. Changing shop will simply change your shop URL to reflect your new shop name. Links to your previous shop name will automatically redirect you to the new one. Prevent other sellers from using the previous name of your shop and display an icon next to your shop name on shop pages that your shop profile and shop search results for 45 days after the change to let buyers know the name of your shop has been changed. After changing your shop name, make sure to update any content in your shop that may reference to the old name, such as your shop icon, shop banner, shop announcements, and about section. And yeah, with that pretty much being said, that's all you need to know on how you can change your shop name on Etsy. It's a very good guide from Help Center. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And see you guys in the next upcoming video.